On December 13, 1997, a group of militants belonging to the Kurdish Labour Party attacked 6 Assyrians in the district of Mangish-Duhok in northern Iraq. 2 of the Assyrians were killed immediately, and the others were wounded. The armed group killed the 4 wounded, and Wardiya Yosef, the wife of one of the victims killed, survived and was wounded in her leg. The victims were Sliwo Jum'a, Samir Isho, Majid Shumon, Arkan Hermes, Salam Yosef, and Naji Micho. Salam Yusuf was a member of the Assyrian Democratic Movement. On Wednesday, December 9, 1998, Ms. Nasreen Hana Shaba, born in 1963, and her young daughter Larsa, born in 1995, were killed when a bomb exploded in their home. Nasreen iwatlai khamsha shinne, ubrato yobas bla shinne. The bomb was planted by an unknown assailant in the home of Mr. Najat Toma, located in the district of Terawa in Erbil. Ms. Nasreen Hana Shaba and her daughter Larsa were killed when they opened the door to their home, which triggered the bomb. Thank you.